The Section 194 inquiry has resumed its work for this year. Mkhwebane's legal counsel called its third witness. Caroline Zulu Sokoni is the public protector of Zambia and the treasurer of the International Ombudsman Institute. She has been leading evidence on international standards on how to safeguard the independence of the Office of the Public Protector.
The public protector had issued certain questions to the president, and then she was suspended the following day. But that's the background. But the question I was putting to you is a more general, without getting into the specifics of that case. I'm saying in terms of the what you call the standards, the accepted standards, and the need for protection, which you have emphasized. Would you say that situation where a member of the executive and the most important member or most powerful member of the executive has got that power?
Procedural fairness must apply because the ombudsman is in a very vulnerable position. As I said before, the ombudsman investigates the executive. So it's absolutely necessary to accord the ombudsman the highest levels of procedural fairness available.
Another question that was asked: should adverse court findings lead to the removal of the public protector?
If the public protector felt that there was something that is detrimental to the public, which is in the Constitution, advertently or inadvertently, is there anything wrong with suggesting that that should be attended to by Parliament, obviously using its own procedures?
The public protector may make a recommendation if either a rule or regulation, a law, in some way it causes maladministration. The public protector may make a recommendation. It is a recommendation which the legislature, once the report is tabled, the legislature can decide either to interact with the executive to find out whether it's possible or not, or if they want, they can reject the report. The legislature has got the right to reject the report.
Mpofu also quizzed the witness on whether the public protector can make recommendations for constitutional amendments. This in an apparent reference to Mkhwebane's recommendation for the nationalization of the South African Reserve Bank, which was declared unlawful by a court.
A product from the one arm of the state, the judiciary, is simply transplanted into Parliament and used to remove an ombudsman, a good system.
When a matter goes to court and the matter goes against the ombudsman, I think it is the system is cleansing itself well because the reports of the ombudsman are being put up to scrutiny by the courts of law. And the courts of law are able to say, no, here, ombudsman, you were wrong.
The witness affirmed Mpofu's view that DAMP Kevin Milem was conflicted to participate in the committee as he was the husband of the complainant, DAMP Natasha Matsoni. Zulu Sokoni is set to be cross-examined by evidence leaders and field questions from MPs on Tuesday. Ulelani Philip, SABC News, Parliament.